If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Photomerge command in Photoshop lets you merge two or more photos of a very large area or object into a single image, like photos of a stadium or a large field. Photomerge in Photoshop works best when the photos to merge have been taken using a tripod, which provides a stable position for the photos and makes the photo merge more likely to accurately merge the selected photos together. To use Photomerge in Photoshop, select File, Automate, Photomerge from the menu bar to open the Photomerge window. Then select the option button for the type of photomerge process to use from the list at the side of the window. Note that the spherical option is a 3D option that will be discontinued in future releases. To select the files or folder containing the files to merge, select either the Files or Folder choice from the Use dropdown in the Source Files section of the Photomerge window. Then click the Browse button to launch either an Open or Select Folder dialog box in Windows, which lets you select either the photo files or the folder containing the files, respectively. Select the files or folder, and then click the OK or Select Folder button in the dialog box. Alternatively, to add all opened files in Photoshop, click the Add Open Files button to add all opened files to the list. The selected files then appear in the list in the Source Files section of the Photomerge window. To remove an added file if needed, click it to select it in the list, and then click the adjacent Remove button. Then select the desired Photomerge options by checking the desired checkboxes at the bottom of the Source Files section. To blend the images together, ensure the Blend Images Together checkbox is checked. To remove vignetting, check the Vignette Removal checkbox. To correct geometric distortion, check the Geometric Distortion Correction checkbox. To fill in transparent areas in the merged image with adjacent content, check the Content Aware Fill Transparent Areas checkbox. To finish an attempt to merge the selected files into a single image, click the OK button at the right side of the Photomerge window. Alternatively, to cancel the process, click the Cancel button. If successful, Photoshop then merges the files into a new Photoshop document for you. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.